Hello children, welcome to the class. Today children, we will do the 9th chapter from the book First Flight. The story titled Madam Rides the Bus by Bali Kannan. In this story, the author tries to present the world as seen from a child's perspective. In this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village is also her induction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. Bali is an 8-year-old girl. She did not have friends to play with, so she would stand in the front doorway of her house looking at the outside affairs going on in the street. Watching the things gave Bali many unusual experiences. There were no playmates of her own age on a street, and this was about all she had to do. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Bali. So her favorite pastime was to look at the bus that passed by her village every hour. It gave her endless joy to look at the new set of passengers each time the bus crossed by. So day after day, she watched the bus. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. So, she soon developed a wish to ride on that bus. Her wish to ride the bus became stronger and stronger. It turned into a desire, and therefore she made it her mission to fulfill it. Over many days and months, Bali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. So Bali listened to the talks of the people who traveled by bus, and in the process would ask a few careful questions here and there to collect more information. This way, she learned about small details of the journey. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paise one way. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. She also knew how she would return. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. So on and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So children, in the next class we will see if Bali is able to fulfill her wish or not. Thank you.